Hey guys, it's Cameron Doe from G&D Details, and in this video I'm going to do a maintenance wash on my 2012 Honda Accord. I like to do this wash about every week or every other week. It helps keep it looking clean and looking nice, and I really like having a nice clean car. So what we're going to do is we're going to wash the car, obviously, do the rims as well as the door jambs, and then we're going to move on to the inside. We're going to just do a quick vacuum, wipe down the door panels, and then that'll be pretty much it. We'll have a nice clean car once we're done. So let's get started. We're going to start off with the rims. We're going to pull the car outside. Okay, so we just pulled the car outside and we're about to work on the rims. First thing I like to do is just to hose down the rims just to get all the nasty brake dust off the surface first. Nothing special. Next up, I've got my IK foam sprayer as well as Optimum Power Clean diluted 3 parts to 1, and just spray it down. Next up, I've got my Optimum body and wheel brush. Just agitate the face of the rim. Now I have my easy detail brush and we're just gonna get inside the barrel of the rims. And this stuff is pretty nasty. This brush will flick back a lot of dirt at you, so beware. This part is definitely the messiest part of washing your car, but it's well worth it. Once I finish getting the bells or rim, I like to just hit the fenders using that same brush. You won't get everything out, but this will help it make it a little bit cleaner. Now the last step in cleaning your rims is to scrub off the wheels. I like doing about half the wheel, and then I just dip my brush back into the bucket and finish off the rest. Last step, just rinse off the rim. So this rim's now clean. We're gonna move on to the rest and move the car inside. Okay, so I just cleaned the rims outside and pulled the car in the garage. Now we're gonna move on to washing the exterior using our maintenance wash on a coated vehicle. If you haven't watched that video yet, I recommend you watch it. But basically what we're gonna do, take our big red sponge and simply apply it to the vehicle. Once again, notice how smooth it glides over the vehicle. And then after that, we're just gonna dry it off with any sort of drying towel. And this panel is now clean. So we're gonna do this to the rest of the car and we'll come back. Okay, so we just washed the car. Now it's looking great on the outside. However, we gotta move on to the inside. So first thing we're gonna do is just do a quick vacuum. I've got my shop vac. You notice I have hearing protection on. This is optional, but I just don't like to have loud noises around me. And so any chance I can take to help, protect myself, I'm gonna take. So let's get started. Okay, so I just noticed a couple stains on the seats as I was vacuuming the car. Normally I don't touch up any stains because I just don't have any stains on the carpet, but in this case, we're gonna go in and show you. So let's go in. Okay, so here's suspect number 1. I think I got this stain from when I took my Pan Fox out to the dog park and he must have got some dirt on his paws. So no big deal. We're just gonna hit it up with some carpet cleaner. Let it agitate, and then just scrub it out. Wipe it up with a damp microfiber towel. And should be all good. Looks pretty good to me. So, got a couple other stains here. I don't know if you can catch it. There's one here, and a couple there. So we'll take care of it, no problem. Okay, so next step in our cleaning process is to wipe down the interior. No need to do a deep clean with brushes or anything or all-purpose cleaners. We're just doing a quick wipe down to get off any of the dust. It's not completely dirty. So all we do is take a damp microfiber towel with some O&R and wipe down the panel. So one of the things I forgot to mention is if you have all-purpose floor mats, you might want to take the time now just to wipe it down with O&R and a microfiber towel. You can also take out your brush and some all-purpose cleaner if you want. But if you just want to take on any of the stuck on dirt and knock those off. Okay, so we're on the home stretch now. We gotta clean the windows both on the inside and the outside, and then we're also gonna clean the side mirrors while we're at it. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the second to last step now. We're gonna clean up the door jambs, the gas cap, as well as the trunk lid. This will just help clean up any of the standing water left over from the wash process. You can use a damp microfiber towel as well as some sort of O&R or some sort of wireless wash. I generally like to use OptiClean, but just spray it on, wipe off, and go on. Okay, so we're on to the final step here. Last thing we're gonna do is just dry off the rim for any last bit of standing water, and then we're gonna apply a tire dressing around the tire just to make it look extra nice. So first thing, I've got a wireless wash solution. Spray the rim a couple times, use your microfiber towel and just wipe up. So now onto the wheels. I've got OptiBond tire gel as well as a tire applicator pad. You don't need too much, just apply. So now this rim's done, we're gonna do the other three and we'll come back for a conclusion. Okay, so that's it for the maintenance wash. This takes me about 1.5 to 2 hours. This obviously took a little bit longer because I had, recording this video as well as this guy helping me out. So thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more content.